Hi, let's talk today about top 5 movies about programmers. That's my personal list, of course. I'm Anatol, and you are watching the good parts of the front-end development. If this is your first time here you want to learn front-end and JavaScript, start right now by subscribing and don't forget to turn on the subtitles. The number 1 in my list is an American biographical drama, The Social Network, adapted from Ben Mesrich's 2009 book The Accidental Billionaires. The film portrays the founding of social networking website Facebook and the resulting lawsuits. It's a fictional movie. As Eduardo Severin said of the film, the movie was clearly intended to be entertainment and not a fact-based documentary. Eduardo Severin is the co-founder who was lately squeezed out of the business. Most encouragingly in this story is passion. I'm inspired by how Mark is following his dream and devoting all his time to achieve his goal. Follow your passion and keep going. I like that. This movie is the fictional story of computer programming genius Milo Hoffman. After graduating from Stanford and getting out into the competitive world of computer software, a large corporation NURV offers a significant salary, an informal working environment and creative opportunities for talented individuals. But a programmer's dream job turns into a nightmare when the protagonist discovers that his boss has a secret and ruthless means of dispatching antitrust problems. Milo begins to unravel a long-hidden truth of NURV's operations. And of course, this story is not about Bill Gates and Microsoft, but actually it is. Antitrust is a pro-open source story. The film manifestly advocates Linux and its community, using GNOME desktop, screenshots, etc. I love seeing such detective stories with all the nerd settings, but be aware, Antitrust received mainly negative reviews. Pirates of Silicon Valley is a biographical drama film spanning the years 1971-1997 and based on Paul Frippinger and Michael Sweeney's book Fire in the Valley. It explores the impact of the rivalry between Apple computers and Microsoft on the development of the personal computer. Thanks to these two companies, there was a real revolution in the field of information technology. As noted by many, the script is reasonably accurate, and I like this quote: "We're here to make a dent in the universe, otherwise why even be here? We're creating a completely new consciousness like an artist or poet." In case you missed this movie, I recommend you to watch it. Office Space is an American comedy film that satirizes the everyday work life of a typical software company. The film's sympathetic depiction of ordinary information technology workers garnered a cult following within that field, but it also addresses themes familiar to white-collar employees and the workforce in general. Gradually, the film has become a cult film. Several of its aspects have become popular internet memes. I do like its romantic and simple story, just because it's fun. The last but not least point on my list is a documentary film titled Revolution OS. This movie features interviews with prominent hackers and entrepreneurs including Rich Stallman, Michael Tillman, Linus Torvalds, Eric Raymond and others. I found the film important, worthwhile and well thought out in explaining the principles of free software and open source concepts. It's worth watching. What is about your picks? What's your favorite one? Leave your comments down below. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel and watch other episodes. Thanks for watching and keep going!